So now I've got the corner of this beam I'm going to put in the wall, in the ceiling, marked. And I always like to be very precise in measurements when I'm doing remodeling. So I want that beam, one that's going to go up here, or along here, there, that way toward that other wall there. I want it to be directly perpendicular to the board that called a sill plate on the floor, and I want the whole wall to be exactly perpendicular. So with the combination of doing let's look at these two levels. Anyway, I've got these. This is going to mark the corner right here. This is the end, that line there, and this line here. That's going to is a long ways edge of that board I'm going to mount on the ceiling. This is the end right there. And so once I got that, and of course the board is 2x4 stud is 3.5 inches wide, so I just got to measure 3.5 inches off of here. And here you can see two other marks. One is longer one there and a short one there. That's only about a 1/8 of an inch difference, so I'm just going to measure off of here 3.5 inches and mark the line there now, like that. But in order to do this measurement, there's a couple ways you can do it. One, you can get these laser beam things, and I use that to confirm that this right there, that line right there, is 180 inches from the wall to the left, which matches, it matches this over here, that. The edge of this stud right here is 180 inches to the wall to the left. And so one way you could do it is, okay, there's the drywall is a 1/2 inch, and here I've got a wall that comes about 3 foot right here. Well, that level I've got over there, that's a 6 foot level. So if I remove this remnants of this countertop here and put the level against that wall and went up to the ceiling, I could draw a line that's exactly perpendicular to the wall, offset for a 1/2 inch. What I did was I used that 6 foot level and that yardstick measuring thing that's steel, put it against that, and I was able to put it on the corner of this guy down here. Let's go look at this guy. That guy down there, right at the corner. So coming off this end right here, going up with that level combined with that metal yardstick, I was able to make a mark on the ceiling that's exactly perpendicular to the edge of this, exactly perpendicular to the edge of that, and exactly perpendicular to the edge of that. And then I confirmed it with the laser level. And so I think I've got a pretty good measurement. And the other thing I've confirmed, if you go up in here and look, so that's where that bracket was, but here I drove a little nail in there, and that goes right through drywall. Where that nail is, there's no stud. Stud is to the right of that nail, probably by about 1 inch or so. But anyway, I've got my initial markings, and I can draw lines, cut that channel in that drywall, and start putting boards in there to give me some backing I need to build this wall.